Hi guys, this is SayanMandal. I hope you all are doing great in this lockdown period. I am pursuing engineering at Cambridge Institute of Technology. I was a student of ABJ Tutorials Kota. So basically this is a feedback video for it. So whatever I'm gonna tell you, I'll tell you honestly. So first of all, let me start by saying that like the buildings, like we say, like how strong is that building, will it last, this that, like will it survive this earthquake or not, like everything depends on the foundation. So likewise only, if like there's a student, so what will he do, in future and all, that depends on how he's brought up, what he has learned and all. So honestly speaking, like I was an average student. Okay. So I came from Arunachal Pradesh at Siliguri. I went to many coaching institutes, but I didn't found out the right guide. Like who can guide me, like do this, do that. Like up to class 11, like it was like how many guides I was having. I was taking tuitions. They were all like okay, okay. Like we didn't have that great communication, like that vibes. Like the teacher and student, they must share. So one day I saw a poster like of ABJ tutorials Kota. So I went there. I went there and like I met with the HOD. Like it's Jha sir. So I told him like this that it was on the mid sem of class 12, and think my condition. I was still having no tutor at that time. So I went to Jha sir and I said him like this that like my base is not clear. So he said like okay, you do one thing, you come from tomorrow for the demo class. So I said okay. So the next day I went for the demo class. I remember it was Jha sir and this Avinav sir. Jha sir used to take chemistry and Avinav sir he used to take physics. Um, they gave the demo class. Like it was, the demo class was very good. Okay. And then again I thought like पहले भी 5-6 ट्यूशन ट्राई कर चुके हैं, उनमें भी अब डेमो क्लास तो अच्छी ही लेते होंगे, अब क्या पता कैसे पढ़ाते होंगे. So I, so me and my friends, they just thought like let's try this tuition for 1 month. Like let's see how they teach and this and that. So my classes started. I went there. What I found, like the teachers, like honestly speaking, I was taking chemistry and this physics tuition there. So what I found out there, like the teachers, they are very friendly. Like not in that sense like friendly, they're like very friendly. Like they will tell you each and everything, they will share, they will even like tell jokes, crack jokes in between. Like they won't let you get bored. What to say, like before also I have tried many coaching classes. Like what happened there is, like I'm an average student. Okay, like this is my point of view. So what happened there is like the teacher, like he's teaching and teaching and teaching and teaching, so continuously for 2 hours, like no stoppage in between. So like even though after 1 hour my brain stops working. Like I start to think again like ये टीचर कितना कमाता होगा, ये वो ध्यान यहाँ वहाँ चला ही जाता है. But what happened there is like they properly know how to handle those students. Like I was an average student. So they said like you do this, do that, and in between they give you real life examples and they crack jokes. Like not cracking jokes all the time, like jokes related to studies only. So that was great. And even there were few of my friends, um, and most of there were like three of my friends. So the first friend was, he was too talented. And I was an average student, and the rest two, like they were below average. So what I saw was like the guidance they gave, that was um, for that the student who was the friend who was topper, like for him it was different, like for me it was different. Like for the other two friends it was different. So it was a very great experience studying there. Like honestly speaking, you guys should also go and try there. I would suggest you just give it a try. Like they say, follow the quality, not the crowd. So honestly speaking, you must go there and see what's the quality. Like they claim they will give the teachings that they give at Kota. So from my point of view, it's true. Like I don't know in other institutes how they will teach you, but like you just go and give it a try. They say you'll just need the right mentor, to go and anywhere you just need the right mentor. So that's the place where you will get the right mentor. If not, then you can try it any other place. But yeah, from my suggestion, I think you should go and give it a try. And one more thing I would like to say, and I would like to thank the teachers of AVJ tutorials Kota, like Jha sir, um, Akash sir, and this Abhinav sir. Still they are in contact with me. They just ask me like, how are you doing, this that. And Akash sir, he has done computer science engineering also. So still like whenever I call him, he like clears my doubt, says this that, do this, do that. Like still like they are more like brother. They think like they are from my family. Like do this, do that, don't do this, don't do that. So who will do that in this time? To go and anywhere you just need the right mentor. So that's the place where you will get the right mentor. If not, then you can try it any other place. But yeah, from my suggestion, I think you should go and give it a try. And one more thing I would like to say, and I would like to thank the teachers of AVJ tutorials Kota, like Jha sir, um, Akash sir, and this Abhinav sir. Still they are in contact with me. They just ask me like, how are you doing, this that. And Akash sir, he has done computer science engineering also. So still like whenever I call him, he like clears my doubt, says this that, do this, do that. Like still like they are more like brother. Like they think like they are from my family. Like do this, do that, don't do this, don't do that. So who will do that in this time? So yeah, just give it a try. Thank you.